In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the x.com or Twitter error 2000 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that can happen when X is having trouble loading properly, and in many cases, the fix is simple. We'll go through the exact steps you need to take so you can get back to using X without wasting time. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data menu in your browser. Once that menu appears, make sure you clear both your cookies and your cache. These stored files can sometimes cause loading problems or conflict with X, which may trigger the error 2000 message. After selecting cookies and cache, confirm the action and let the browser clear everything completely. When that is done, refresh X and check if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the same problem, the next step is to disable your VPN if you have one turned on. Sometimes VPN connections can interfere with X's servers or trigger access errors, so turning it off can immediately solve the issue. After disabling the VPN, reload X again and see if it works normally. If the error is still happening, the last thing to check is whether X itself is down. Open a new tab and visit a service like DownDetector to see if other users are reporting outages. If X is experiencing a widespread issue, then the problem is not on your device and you may simply need to wait until the service is restored. Those are the main steps to fix x.com or Twitter error 2000. Clear your cookies and cache, disable any VPN, and check whether X is down. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast fixes and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.